Hi everyone, my name is Marta, I'm Marketing Manager, and in this video I will show you how to analyze and describe problems on the on-site pages of your website. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our new videos. So let's imagine you're analyzing one of the pages on your website. You open the heat maps, you open the page, and you're analyzing the data about clicks on this page. So you notice that some of the elements need to be deleted, they need to be changed or replaced to another sections of your website. But these are just your assumptions, and you need to double check with the head of marketing, or you want to ask the designer's advice or opinion on it. This is super easy to do with the full page screen capture and visual feedback tool created by Plerdy. In one of the previous videos, I already showed you how to take a screenshot of an entire page with the click data on it, and in this video I will show you how to collaborate on this screenshot. So basically, when we took a screenshot, we may add some commands related to a specific elements on the website. For example, this tag news that we see on some of the elements, we see that really not so many users click on it. So we think that this element needs to be removed or replaced. We choose this area, and here we can add a command. For example, we need to replace it. Maybe to make it bigger, to change the color of it, replace it but by something else. We save the command. When we add our colleagues to this screenshot or share a link to the screenshot with them, they will be able to open this page and to see this command. So they can open this command and reply to you in a thread, for example, okay. So you can collaborate and have discussions directly on this page. Also, you can resize this command, you can move it to another sections, for example, to this item, to this element, and when you don't need it more, you can just delete this command. So that's it. To download this tool, you need to go to uxplerdy.com and to watch the previous video where I describe how to take this screenshot with this tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching till the end and have a great one. Bye bye.